Wrapping things up, guys, with a dessert. So I have some chocolate chips here that I'm going to add some hot milk to. I'm doing a nutty chocolate tart, thanks to the folks at Regal Nuts. So I'm going to use an assortment of nuts that I have here. So I toasted the nuts. So this is a real important aspect of doing this. So I have some pecans and some almonds. Crush it. I don't like putting it in a food processor because I like to pound it out.
You know, the crunchiness.
And I want to pick up some of the little nutty grains kind of thing as well. So I don't want it too fine. So I kind of just give it a nice little pound, little mallet or little hammer, back a spoon, Jesse head. That was a joke. And pong it. And let me show you how easy it is to pull this together.
Yeah.
So hot milk, very important. So I've had some just out of the microwave. And all you're doing, so this is some semi-sweet chocolate chips. You get it anywhere in the supermarket. And you just literally pour this hot milk all over. And you want to just top it just until it just barely covers the milk, just about that. Allow it to sit for 30 seconds.
Yes, he's counting down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
You just really, that purpose is really just to kind of allow the
to simmer a little bit.
And for the chocolates to start melting.
Yeah.
And then you start to you just get a whisk in there and you start bringing it together. So this is going to just come together very simply.
So it's now hot chocolate.
To basically a nice, like a ganache almost kind of thing. And it just melts. This will take a little time. You got to be a little patient with it. You got to start seeing it change in color because it's going to get more chocolate.
Yeah.
Keep stirring. So you recognize you see the color changing, guys?
Yeah.
The nice rich chocolatey
and
color.
It's getting thicker and nice.
Yeah, so it's going to thicken up a little bit. And I think check it out. Wow. Looking good?
Very nice.
Looking good. So I'm taking this another level thanks to Regal Nuts, an assortment of Regal Nuts. I have almonds and I have some pecans here that I just want to get in there. And then I'm going to change my tool because I want to fold this in. So just kind of fold the nuts in. So it's a nutty chocolate tart. No baking here. So just see, this is up your alley. This is so easy. Everything I did here, guys, simple, easy to do this morning. Nuts folded in nicely. This little part, your favorite chocolate cream cookies. In a food processor, mix, crush, add a little bit of melted butter, just bring it together, it flattens out and holds together nicely and forms a nice little chocolate base. This is chocolate nuts. All you do is that you just get all that goodness in there and you spread.
Pay attention.
So you not only had to go and do creamy caldo dip, but you had to do some dessert later as well, Curlene.
Yes, chocolate for my chocolate.
Yeah. The Soca love story continues.
You think he hasn't heard any lyrics?
And the lyrics in here, how many years are the lyrics in here?
It was all my life.
All your life. This goes straight
that
in
looks
the fridge.
really nice.
It's not even in the oven, straight in the fridge, and it will foam up nicely. So I have some slices ready for you guys.
That looks beautiful.
So let's serve it. I have 2 plates sliced already.
Wow.
So Umbrella like prettiness. Umbrellas do a little whipped cream.
I love
a
it.
little chocolate dust.
Nice.
But it's so simple, so easy to do. You can try the recipe on cupofjoecaribbean.com. Our nutty chocolate tart. Thanks to the folks at Regal Products for making it possible. Guys, please, let the love story continue.
You go ahead first.
Boy.
I appreciate your consideration.
He can't do the first, but he allow it.
You get a little whipped cream.
Yeah.
Mouth water in you know.
Curlene, are you a chocolate girl?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
But I like it. It's not as much as a lot of chocolate. it's not too overpowering. I like the mix with the nuts and the little whipped cream to garnish was nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
What about you? You can talk.
I don't want him to sing now to take us out with the Soca love story.
He said no.
He said no.
Let's go.
Thank you for passing to my brother.
Thanks for having us. I appreciate
As I said,
it.
congratulations on the wonderful concert.
Thank you.
Congratulations, my lady.
Thank you.
I wish you guys all the best going forward in this wonderful love story that continues. I'll be there for all the chapters of the love story.
Nice.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate the support, man.
Soca love story.
Yeah.
Take more time, you know I like to dance.
Yeah, man.
And serenade Curlene, when I say serenade Curlene, when they're catching up to do.
Yeah. Wow. Soca, I love you. Yeah. You mean the world to me and nothing else. Yeah. I love you, Soca. So please don't give me nothing else. You give me reason to rise in the morning. Yeah. You play the role in my life as a blessing. Yeah. There's nothing or no one else be deceiving. You keep me happy inside and make me feel. And yes, you make me jump up. Want you in my life non-stop. Yeah, this is a love story. A Soca love story. People when we break up,